Welcome to Kia How-Tos with Kenzie's Custom Cars. I'm Kenzie, and today we're going to talk about Kia's infotainment system called UVO Link that is offered on most new vehicles and some older models as well. This system is going to save you a lot of time with your vehicle as well as a lot of confusion that often comes with buying a new vehicle. First, we'll go over how to set it up, then I'll dive into all the fun things it does. When you first download the Kia Access with UVO Link app to your smartphone, you'll have to set up an account. I'm going to create a new account just so you can see how it's done. You'll need your email, first and last name, phone number, and a password, no special characters allowed. And of course, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you remember your password. It keeps you signed in for the most part, but from time to time will require you to sign in again to verify it's really you for extra safety. Creating your account will take just a few minutes. Next, you have to locate your VIN number, which can be found in the door or on the dash. I chose the dash, as you can see here. Walk around to the front of the vehicle and it should be right there. Verify your VIN number and add your vehicle. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions on this page, it should give you a code in the top right-hand corner. Now, let's go into the vehicle and see how to link your app to your new car. I chose a 2021 EXK5 to shoot the tutorial. For this vehicle, the setup button is on the second page. Some screens may look different, but the setup button you're looking for will always be there. Once I click Setup or Settings, the next button will be the UVO button, and that'll take you straight to the UVO settings. The first button and term I'm agreeing to are the 911 Connect, which will send GPS coordinates to police if the airbags ever deploy. Next, I click Activate UVO, and then I already have a code and enter the code that we talked about before on the app. Once you enter this code, it'll take a few minutes to connect. Remember, this is the first time that you're doing this, and this will be the only time it takes this amount of time. You should be patient with your vehicle, as this is a lot of information to transfer. So now you're all set, let's go back to the app. Once it's rebooted and you've logged back in, you can see everything about your vehicle. The first time you use it, again, it'll take a few minutes to load. I edited that out for time purposes. Now you can see the status of your vehicle. You will need to click Update Status every time to get the most accurate status. You'll be able to save favorite locations and view real-time location of your vehicle from the Locations tab. As far as the rest of the main screen goes, it's going to show you everything that this app can do. There's a lot of fun features on here, and there's a lot to get to know about this app. I always tell my customers to take a while at home exploring all the buttons and everything each one of them does. Now, for the tutorial's purposes, we will get into some of these, just not all of them. So let's go ahead and get started with the top right hand, which is going to be your UVO button. With the My UVO button, you can see settings and troubleshooting as well as package options for your UVO trial and or subscription. To the right of the app, you'll find phone numbers for UVO assistance as well as Kia Roadside and some other helpful links. All right, now let's get back up to the top of the screen and talk about some of those features that I promised you. You can remote start and turn off your vehicle from here. It'll also let you set the temperature settings of the cabin when you get in the vehicle. In the top left, you'll be able to see how much gas you have in your vehicle, as well as the odometer on the right. When you click start, a message will appear telling you it'll only stay started for 10 minutes, and it'll let you know that it's going to take a moment for the action to be completed. If you click the I next to the start button, it'll show you the condition the vehicle needs to be in to start. If you click the I next to the unlock button, it'll give you the same benefit. Scrolling down, the next important thing is your maintenance appointments. It'll show you any upcoming, as well as the maintenance button to schedule them. Driver preferences will let you sync all of your radio stations, so you can save them from vehicle to vehicle. As you can see, there's lots of buttons to go over, but next we're going to go over the maintenance button. Here is where you can set your appointments at your favorite Kia dealership and see the suggested maintenance for your vehicle. That very bottom button will tell you what every light that could come up on your dashboard is going to mean, so that if one of them does come on, you know exactly what's going on with your vehicle, including how dangerous that light can be, what problems are having, and when you call the dealership, you'll know exactly what to tell them. There will never be any confusion with what's going on with your vehicle again. Hopefully this brief tutorial has helped any current UVO users or future Kia customers to understand the value behind this system. Thanks so much for listening, and we appreciate your business.